Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is Bee-Fly Beauty. And today we are just going through my single shadows. I am redoing what I have in my kit, fine-tuning what's in there, and then maybe doing a little bit of my own personal collection of singles, but that's definitely going to be more of another video, but I will probably touch on that. So let's look and see what kind of mess I'm making. Okay, so these are the only three eyeshadow palettes that I keep in my makeup kit. So I have this Skinny Dip Jouer palette, which I really enjoy for toppers in like really dramatic looks. I got this Juvia's Place, the Warrior. I actually want the Warrior too as well. It looks amazing. It's the matte version, but this has almost all shimmers. And I think this is just really beautiful for medium to dark skin tones, and it can work on lighter skin tones, but I needed something more pigmented and rich to fill the gap in my kit. And then this is my current go-to. So all these really little ones are the IT Cosmetics. So I'm gonna go through and see if there's anything that I wanna replace, because some of them are very chalky. This is Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie. These are Natasha Denona mattes. These are Too Faced mattes, Stila shimmers, which actually don't work very well, but they're just so pretty. And then these are Too Faced shimmers from the Chocolate Bar palette. And all of these were just like so hard to depot, and so were these, as you can tell. So I'm gonna go through these and then see from my declutter, my personal, if there's anything that I can take from here, put in here and kind of replace some of the chalky stuff and get more of a balanced kit. Okay, so I swatched these and I swatched the Stila, and you can see that the top row is Stila, so that one is actually pretty great. But look at the Juvia's Place ones. So very similar. I think I'm gonna depot these and just keep the Juvia's Place. Wow, look at that pigment. Okay, I have definitely decided to keep these mauves, Dose of Colors, and I'm putting these in the kit. I have to depot these. I've decided which ones I'm going to take out. The more chalky ones, gonna replace, gonna take those out. I have a few from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that I'm gonna put in here, ones with more color. And then is sad, I don't know if I really can do it, but this is the Makeup by Mario, and this is they just don't sell it anymore, so I'm kind of scared, but it's, I don't know why, it's one of my favorite palettes. Like I said before, it has to do with that it's like reminiscent of this Revlon quad I used to use in high school. So these are gorgeous, subtle colors. There is a green, there's a blue, and so I am going to depot these and put them in my kit. And then it's not that I can't use it, right? And then I think that this chocolate bar, the semi-sweet chocolate bar, is actually really dried out. So I'm just gonna toss this, unfortunately, even though it's been used a little bit. Instead of depotting it, I'm just gonna toss it out. So I will show you sped up me depotting and replacing, and then I will talk about my personal stuff after. All right, so this is what I came up with. I'm sure that once I use it, I might take things out and rearrange, but these top part, the top line is the IT Cosmetics. That's what I have dwindled it down to, up into here. And then we get into the ABH Amrezy palette, the ABH Master Mario palette, my old Chocolate Bar Too Faced palette, Natasha Denona mattes. This is a Stila one. This is that Makeup Geek, and then I have these that just don't fit because I cannot figure it out. And so these will just go on top for now, and I will come back to it. But I like that this has a little bit more color, not so much chalkiness. There's a little bit more shimmers in there. There's a little bit more depth. Okay, this is gonna be just the beginning of my personal palette. These are a few left from the Amrezy and Mario palette here. This is a ColourPop. These are some duochrome ColourPop shadows. And these are the two shimmers that I really like coming out of the Revolution Pro or Revolution dupe for the Subculture palette. Obviously, you can see that I was trying to get that one out and I just didn't do it the right way and I messed it up. So this is gonna go in the trash now because I didn't really want any other of these colors. Like I said earlier, this, a lot of these colors are in the new Christie ColourPop palette. So that was the only one I really wanted, and actually that one, but I just gave up. So this is what I'm keeping out of these things, and then I will add some more to this. Probably need to get a bigger palette, so like my JD Glow colors can come and stay in here as well. Okay, I added my JD Glow, so I wanted you guys to see how massive they are compared to the ColourPop ones. Ooh, I cannot wait to get more of those. Update, I have decided to keep the Venus palette. I'm not ready to get rid of it, and this color is amazing, and it looks like it's really hard to depot. I think I might get rid of it someday, but today is not a day. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.